Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a photo from the Facebook app onto your iPhone, iPad, or iOS device. So the first thing you want to do is go into the Facebook app, then look for the photo you want to download. So here I have my photo, and the first thing you want to do is simply press the photo. Once you press the photo, there's two ways to do this. You can either press the three dots on the top right of the screen, and then you'll get the option to save the photo. Or you can hold on the photo and you'll get the same options. So I'm going to save the photo for demo purposes. Alright, now to prove that I saved it and it's actually on my phone, I'm going to go into the Photos app and show you. Here it is. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment,